called the driver.
Choo choo, all on the Urbex train.
Whoop, whoop. Can you see my arse? It's quite nice, isn't it? Oh, fucking hell.
So these lines were constructed in the late 1800s.
We are now travelling through the trains lines of Oakamoors. Next stop, God knows where.
As you can see, got a gate for 4 foot into the bar. Does this tell us Mel theft?
I don't know. I shouldn't think so. We have a twin turbocharged Oliver Thomas and a bog standard Jaxie. Oh. As you can see, we're getting past many train carriages. I think this one's the Halloween one, isn't it? Or the Christmas one, I'm not entirely sure, but it says cunt on the side and death. Look at these guys, don't push any faster.
How about 3, 2, 1,
Oh, this is that's something. Woo woo! Train robbers!
I missed me fucking train!
I'm going pretty quick. Oh fuck! I feel a little bit. I'm feeling a bit scared now because I get this feeling that you guys are just gonna bail and that'll be it. I'll just be rolling forever.
Just rolled into a main line.
Piss myself in a train just keep like, oh fuck!
Oh, it's slowing down a bit.
I think you're going uphill, that's why. I'll find out when I go back to the road. I haven't travelled that far, to be fair. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo. I'd love to just see some people just like,
What the fuck?
what? I'm gonna try just surfing.
At Frogmore, there's a pub right by the railway line.
Let's go to
Hello. Yeah, this feels. Yeah.
See someone now. When you go past the field, to the park.
This is way quicker than walking. What is that? Power! Right, I'm gonna get back down.
Down here. Let's go quick.
Shit.
Just jump and just put brakes on that.
I've got no brakes to put on. Okay. I'm getting a bit scared now.
Matt, the line goes for miles before it reaches anywhere.
Yeah, I know, but what's this in front of us? Can you please just stop this for a moment?
Ow.
It's gonna join off and it's gonna crash.
Shit, Jackson, check the fucking things!
Stop it, 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 stop it.
Matt, jump off, we can't stop it. I know we are.